Hi, Nelson. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Thank you for
How are you?
joining. I'm good as well. Thank you very much for asking. So thank you for joining me today, and thank you for sharing your story. So I'd like you to introduce yourself a bit.
Okay. I'm Nnayoh Nelson.
Nnayoh.
Yeah, from Nigeria, Cross River State. I'm 36. I'm a Forex trader with AudaCity FX at the moment.
Fantastic. You joined our program in February, right? And you hit your first 10% target last week.
Yes, I did last week.
Okay, fantastic. And tell me, at the moment, are you a full-time Forex trader, or is it a second source of income for you?
It's a second source of income for me at the moment. Though I've been trading for quite some time, do on and off until I saw this opportunity with your company.
And how long have you been trading for?
That should be about 8 years, 9 years, about that.
Okay. So you're very experienced, we can say. And how did this journey started for you? What have you been doing? How did you learn how to trade? Tell us your story.
Basically, I used to be a web developer, and then I was pursuing a client for about a week, and then my elder brother was at home trading, and within the week of chasing my client, I didn't get the job. But when I got home, he had basically grown an account from $100 to about $500, and that was about the funds I needed to finish up the job. So I was wondering, I was like, if I could put in the same time he did, why do I spend it chasing someone that doesn't find what I was offering interesting? So that's when I started trading. I went in, made my first efforts, had losses, picked up from there, then kept on trading.
Okay. And do you only trade the Forex market, or you also focus perhaps with your personal account on different financial assets?
Yeah, with my own account as well. I only trade currencies and commodities, basically.
Okay, that's fine. And what is your style of trading? Are you a intraday, swing trader, scalper? Tell us a bit more about that.
Basically, I try swing and intraday because I look for long-term trades. Okay. Particularly, I'm very interested in trends because obviously the trend is your friend. Yeah. I find trading range days very difficult, but trend basically is what I look out for. So if I get a trend, I'm on long term. I hold on position until I get to the target.
That's good. And what is the strategy that that you use? Do you rely on indicators? How do you decide when and how to enter in a position?
Oh, I focus on divergence, and then I use Fibonacci to look out for resistance and support.
Okay, that's fine. On different time frames, or you just work with one?
Different time frames, but I basically focus on daily and 4 hours.
Okay, that's fine. And what about before joining AudaCity? Have you been working with other companies, or is it the first time that you manage a funded account?
This is the first time I'm managing a funded account, which is awesome.
And before that, were you only managing your personal funds?
Yes, I was managing just my funds.
If you don't mind me asking, because sometimes it happens that one of the biggest struggle that the traders face is the lack of capital. When you were managing your personal funds, which was the maximum capital you were trading with?
The maximum was 500. Actually, usually I grew the account from $100 to about 500, and then trying to maintain the funds. But most times I make withdrawals, heavier withdrawals, so I have to keep growing back the account to what I want, and then stay within the range of $100 and $500.
I see. So I believe you were working with a big leverage, and you were risking a bit more than what you're risking at the moment with us.
Yes.
How was your risk management? How is your risk management on your personal account? So on this $500 account?
It's aggressive. Usually when I see opportunities, I take aggressive trades, and most times it's not favorable because I don't have restrictions, or will I call the financial plan AudaCity gives to me. I have limits of how much I could lose in a day and in a week. So that structures my mind on what outcome I should be looking out for. So if I have drawdowns, I quickly exit the trades. Unlike my own account, I could hold it for a longer time, and most times I'll basically lose more than I actually planned for the day.
So can we say that having rules is helping you to be more selective with the trades that you take?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, and let's talk a bit about performances. You reached your first target in less than 2 months, I'd say, is 1 month and a half, if I'm not wrong. So performance-wise, would you say that having a strict risk management in place has helped you in performances?
Yes, it did. Yes, a lot it did. I actually saw the risk management system as the best when it comes to trading. It's the best, basically. Yeah.
Good. That's good to hear. And are you applying now the same rules also on your personal account, or you're still trading aggressively there?
I'm actually applying the same rules on my main account.
Yeah. That's good. And have you seen your performances increase also on your personal funds?
Yes, it does.
That's very good. That makes us really happy.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. And do you have you said that mainly you are a Forex trader, and you also trade commodities on your account, of course. Among the Forex pairs, do you like trade any currency pair in particular, or you just wait for the signal on based on your strategy?
I prefer Euro JPY and Britain JPY. I look out for both currency pairs because they trend in the same direction. So one confirms the other one. So when I see a confirmation on one, I take advantage of that on the other pair.
I see. So yen related pairs mainly.
Yes, mainly, yeah.
Okay. Did you have some fun with pound yen this week?
This week, I started the week off bad.
Oh, okay.
Past week, I started off the week bad. I was expecting a long trend, but it kept the reversal been hanging out. Yeah. So I decided if it maintains that momentum today, after the first few trades I took, I would just have to wait off till next week to look out for another opportunity.
Of course, no worries. There's a lot of volatility going on in the market. It has been like that for quite some time now. You were saying you have been trading the market for the past 8 years. Do you reckon the volatility in the Forex market has just been insane for the past couple of years?
I think the current volatility started when the Ukraine-Russia crisis started. That was when there was this massive volatility. If you look out for particularly trends in this type of market, you make good profit from it. Because when it picks up, it's going to run for a very long time.
Do you think volatility is helping you or is harming you?
But 50-50.
50-50. Yeah, well, volatility has to be seen as a multiplier in my opinion. It's just gonna be like leverage in a way. Because if you're in the right direction, then volatility is great for you. But if you're in the wrong direction of the market, then of course, just like everything. Okay, that's fine. Is there anything else that you would like to share with us about your strategy, about your journey as a trader so far and your journey with AudaCity so far?
Basically, the best time I've had in Forex is trading with AudaCity because of the funds available. So I have to take smaller trades and then returns are bigger at the end of the period of trading. So I'm actually enjoying my trades now with AudaCity because it's the best thing the company has done for traders out there.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate that. Okay, then. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for sharing the story, your story with our traders today.
Yeah.
And I wish you all the best and all the success on your new account. And hopefully we can have a second chat soon. Okay, on your second target.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nelson. Bye.
Bye.